We're talking about the Disney and Colourpop collection. I'm really excited about this collection, so let's talk about it. Hola mi gente, it's Mariluz here. Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I want to talk about the Colourpop and Disney collection. I didn't get all of the items. I got the eyeshadow palettes and the lip glosses because I would use those more than anything. So I got the package right here. We're going to do a quick unboxing and I'm also going to do some swatches for you guys. So if you are interested, just stay tuned. Okay, so Colourpop most of the times doesn't ship in a box and I feel like that's really environmental friendly, but they do have like a tab right here for easy like opening. So I'm gonna pull that out. Guys, your girl is a hardcore Disney fan. I'm a Disney annual pass holder. I go to Disney very often. Not to brag, but I mean, I don't have a social life, so at least I have Disney, if that makes sense. But I do want to show you everything I got. So we're going to start with the eyeshadow palette. It comes in this bubble wrap packaging. Okay, so the box is gold and it's really pretty. It has like the signatures of the different princesses and it also says Disney Designer Collection in the front and then the Colourpop logo at the bottom. And on the back of the box you have the shade names and it also says it's a princess thing. The inside of the box matches the palette, so I don't know if you can tell. I'll show it to you. It has like these stars right there and this is the palette. Oh my gosh, I'm like a little kid when it comes to Disney, so forgive me if I'm not acting my age, but but here's the front of the palette. It says Disney Designer Collection and it has 6 princesses right on front. The palette itself is black with a few colorful stars, and then on the back it says it's a princess thing, which is the name of the palette, and it also has the name of the shades on the back of it. I also like that the shadow names are Disney related, so duh. In person it looks so much better than when you see it on the picture, like online, because online it really doesn't look wearable, if you know what I mean. It looks like very pinkish and like it doesn't look like it will work for my skin tone, but when I look at it in person it can work. So this is the palette. When you open it, it has a few signatures on top and then the shadows on the bottom. Now I'm really excited that they also included the names inside the palette and not only on the back. I want to swatch it for you guys, but I also want to show you first the lip glosses that I got. I got all the lip glosses. I got the shade Bibbidi, Bobbidi, and Boo. So this is pretty cool. I like the packaging of the glosses too. I think they were a little bit smashed, so they were kind of opened when I opened the packaging. But it says Ultra Glossy Lip and it is black, same as the eyeshadow palette. It has a gold packaging and a transparent tube with some stars in here. The packaging is gorgeous. Hey you guys, so I think I'm going to try the lip glosses first because I can get involved with the eyeshadows too much and then I would forget to do the lip glosses. Okay, so these are the swatches. This is Bibbidi, Bobbidi, and Boo. Like, I don't know if you can tell how Bibbidi looks right here, but it's just transparent with some gold reflex. And then Bobbidi, as you can tell, it has more like a peachy undertone, and Boo has more like a pinky but also mauvey undertone, so it's pretty nice. So I think you could use all of these alone, but this one looks more like a topper actually. Okay guys, so I swatched the palette and we have the first row here. First we have Chip, Juju, Grumpy, Triton, and Abu. These were like all mattes, but Triton is not like a true matte. It's more like maybe a satin finish. I just feel like it has a little bit of glitter in it or shimmer in it. It's not a flat matte. I was a little bit disappointed with Chip because I feel like it just won't work on my skin tone. I will probably use it as a setting powder. Even though they felt really creamy, the swatches didn't impress me for the first row. Now I will see once I like maybe create a look with it to see how it works on my eyelid, but I'm going to move on with the second row. And on the second row we have Prince Charming, Ray, Fairy Godmother, One Kiss, and Thingamabob. Did I say that right? Ooh, I said that right in the first shot. Woo, woo. Now these ones are all shimmer shadows, but I did like the pigmentation when I was swatching them. I think Prince Charming was one of the chunkiest in this row, but they were all really good, so we'll see how they perform on the eyes. Now for the last row we have Enchanted Rose, Poison Apple, Magic Carpet, Beast, and Midnight Curfew. At Cinderella's age, I think that Midnight Curfew was more than enough. I mean, My curfew was 9 o'clock until I was like 22. Now in terms of the swatches, I was really impressed with them except for Beast and Midnight Curfew. Beast has like little specks of gold, but it's more like a matte. It will probably perform different on the eyes, but as a finger swatch, it's alright. And Midnight Curfew, when I first put my finger, it really held on to that pigment, but when I was trying to drag it, it was kind of patchy. I'm actually just going to try a very simple look. I'm not going to go all over the top. I mean, I had this makeup since like 7 a.m. in the morning and it is 9:30 right now. So I'm not going to like go way over because I'm just gonna wash this off and go to bed soon. So I'm going to try to build the crease mostly with the shade Grumpy. I'm going to apply that on my crease and right away I see pigment. Yeah, baby. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of Abu, this one right here, and I'm going to place that on my outer corner here. I'm gonna drag this just a tiny bit on the crease here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with the shade Ray because I do like a light lid when I'm doing like oranges. This could be a really nice everyday look, not over the top, not too glam. I could wear this for work every day. Now I do want to see if using it in my finger I would have more like a metallic look. With a brush I think it looks beautiful, but I just want to try it with my finger to see how it looks like. Oh yeah, you could totally see the difference here. It looks very pigmented, very metallic. I didn't wet this shade at all. Very smooth, very easy to blend. Okay, so I'm going to just blend this together. If you want more like a dramatic look, you could probably use Beast right here. This is like a brown shade, but I do like this light orangey mid-tone here because it doesn't compete with my lip gloss. Now I'm going to go ahead and this Abu color on my lower lash line just to finish up this look real quick. And I really enjoyed this palette. I'm not gonna wear mascara, guys, because I actually do have mascara from this morning, so but yeah, I think this is the look. Okay, so keep in mind I had Bibity at underneath and then I put Bobbity on top, but I do believe that this color looks a lot better with this eyeshadow look. I hope you agree with me. Okay guys, so I think that is it for today. I enjoyed every single thing I got from Colourpop. I did enjoy this Disney and Colourpop collection. If you guys are interested on getting at least the palette, I think it'll work well for you guys. I am medium skin tone and I did think I wasn't going to like it that much, but the colors are really nice and I think they are wearable for medium skin tones. So yeah, I did enjoy the glosses as well. They're not sticky, they're very creamy. Now obviously it's not a collection you will need in your life, but if you enjoy Disney and you enjoy Colourpop shadows, I think it's a really nice addition to your collection, if you will. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this short and on the whim sort of raw video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will see you on my next video. Hi guys. I live in Florida. Not. Can you hear the motorcycle on the back? My husband just got home. Let's wait. Pero son las 9:47. Wait, let me wrap this up.